Managing multiple video sources during live events or online content creation can be challenging. Without the right equipment, switching between cameras, graphics, and pre-recorded footage can become awkward and frustrating, potentially affecting your production quality. This can lead to a subpar viewing experience and give your broadcasts an unprofessional appearance. Video switchers are the solution, streamlining this process and making transitions seamless. When selecting a video switcher, there are several key factors to keep in mind. Factors to consider. 1. Number of inputs/outputs. 2. Video resolution. 3. Video formats. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 best video switchers available on the market. For more details on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Now, let's dive in. Starting at Farisa Video Switcher. The Farisa 4x2 video switcher stands out when managing multiple HDMI sources, efficiently delivering content across 2 different displays. Although it isn't equipped for direct live streaming, its seamless transition between inputs and ability to split signals make it ideal for home theaters, conference rooms, and educational environments. This switcher's plug-and-play design simplifies what could otherwise be a complicated setup process. It supports 4K resolution, ensuring that the video output remains crisp and detailed for various uses. Additionally, it includes audio extraction features, which prove essential when you need to direct sound to external audio systems. While the Farisa HDMI Matrix is better suited for fixed setups than live production, its dependability and ease of use provide substantial value for those needing to handle multiple HDMI inputs without the complexity found in more professional-grade switchers. At number 2, FeelWorld Video Switcher. For solo live production management, the FeelWorld Video Switcher offers impressive performance. Its compact design and straightforward functionality make it ideal for streaming with minimal setup. Equipped with 4 HDMI inputs and a single HDMI output, it supports a 1080p broadcast quality that fits well within the needs of most live streaming scenarios. This video switcher is particularly advantageous for users looking for an all-in-one solution that integrates real-time video effects and can function without additional hardware when streaming to social media platforms. The USB 3.0 output allows the L1V1 to interface directly with computers, appearing as a webcam, which simplifies the streaming process significantly. Despite its small form factor, the LivePro L1V1 offers a range of video effects and a T-bar for manual transitions, providing capabilities often found in more expensive and larger units. It's particularly suited for educational, worship, and small corporate environments where ease of use and budget are key considerations. At number 3, Roland Video Switcher. For users seeking high-quality video switching with professional effects, the V1 HD model from Roland is a versatile tool. With 4 HDMI inputs, it allows for a broad range of devices to be connected, from cameras to computers, making it suitable for webcasts, live performances, and corporate presentations. One of the V1 HD's standout features is its ability to handle both 1080p and 1080i resolutions simultaneously, supporting diverse input sources without compromising the output quality. The switcher is praised for its intuitive layout with large backlit buttons and a T-fader for smooth transitions, which enhance its ease of use in live settings. While it lacks direct streaming capabilities, which might be a drawback for some users, its performance in live mixing and switching is top-notch. The inclusion of features like picture-in-picture, chroma key, and luminance key effects makes it a powerful tool for creating dynamic and engaging video content. Now number 4, OC Go Stream Duet Video Switcher. If you're looking for professional streaming solutions, the OC Go Stream Duet delivers advanced video switching capabilities. This device offers extensive input and output options, including 4 HDMI and 4 SDI inputs, alongside USB Type-C and Ethernet outputs, catering to a wide range of multimedia setups. With the ability to stream to up to 3 platforms simultaneously, the Go Stream Duet stands out in multi-platform delivery, making it perfect for live events, webinars, and professional broadcasts. The inclusion of features like Super Source, Chroma Key, and Picture-in-Picture enhances its functionality, allowing for creative and dynamic video productions. Despite its comprehensive features, the Go Stream Duet maintains a user-friendly interface, though it does require some technical knowledge to fully leverage its capabilities. Its price point is justified by its professional-grade features, making it a worthwhile investment for serious broadcasters. Now our last product is RG Blink Video Switcher. The RG Blink Video Switcher offers a compact and versatile solution for live production, particularly suited to solo streamers and small-scale events. This device supports up to 4 HDMI inputs and integrates seamlessly with third-party streaming software like OBS and Mix, enhancing its utility for live broadcasting. Regardless of its small size, the RG Blink Mini packs a significant punch with features like 14 built-in transition effects and 9 picture-in-picture layouts. These capabilities allow users to create professional-looking broadcasts without the need for extensive setups or additional hardware. Ease of use is a notable strength of the RG Blink Mini, with its straightforward interface and USB 3.0 output that is recognized as a webcam on computers, simplifying the streaming process. However, users looking for more advanced features may find its capabilities somewhat limited compared to larger, more expensive units. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.